I've talked before about mass emigration from Sweden, and what's often given as the reason behind why many people left Sweden to America is the inequality here. But nowadays, of course, Sweden is known for being one of the more equal societies on earth. Now, there are many reasons behind this. For instance, Sweden's always had quite large left-wing parties like the Social Democrats and the Left Party. But there might be a stranger origin behind Sweden's socialism, let's call it. Politician Gustav Mahler is said to be the father of Sweden's social security system, but he was probably inspired by Alva and Gunnar Myrdal, who in 1934 published The Crisis in Population, and they advocated introducing basic welfare to help Sweden's poor. This system is called Falkenmord, which means people's home, and it goes back a little bit before this, because in 1928 the future Prime Minister Per Albin Hansson said that Swedish society was not yet a good people's home, and in order for it to be a good people's home, class distinction needed to go. But the welfare state goes back a little bit further still, to the late 19th century and Germany, where Bismarck introduced it in order to turn people away from leftist organisations and help create a better sense of unity. And during World War I, they also thought it would help unite the nation there, and this system was picked up by the Swedish. Specifically, Rudolf Kjellin picked it up in the early 20th century and brought it back to Sweden, and it was then seen as a way of uniting the nation. So initially it was quite a corporatist model, but whereas in Sweden it went to the left, in Germany this model went to the right. In Germany, people like Ferdinand Tönnies helped create the idea of Volksgemeinschaft, which means folks' community. Similar here, people's home, you see the connection there. However, although he vehemently opposed the Nazis, it was picked up by them. This theory was particularly pushed within the Hitler Youth, but in short it said that the good German citizens should put the community above themselves. So you see there the strange connection between Bismarck's Germany, Swedish socialism today, and the Nazis.